Good afternoon, everyone. Good morning and good night from wherever it is you're watching this video from. I am Olawale and welcome back to my channel. On my channel, what I do is I simply solve mathematical questions and answer basic sciences questions as a whole. Now, happy weekend to you guys. It's a wonderful weekend. I trust you're enjoying your weekend. Let's still not forget that we are on simultaneous equations, and there are some other technical problems that differs from the normal simpler ones that we have been solving this past few days. Now on the board you can see that we have a particular simultaneous equation that looks so different from the usual one we have, but it's not difficult. It's as easy as the other ones we have been doing. All you just need to do is watch this video to the end, like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you can know when I post new videos. That's for new subscribers. And simply watch it to the end, because it is only when you watch it to the end that you get the value of the video. Okay, let's go. Let's solve the question. Okay, now we have two equations, but they are not simplified in their purest form. Now we pick the first equation. Solution. We pick the first equation. 2x minus 1 over 5 plus x minus 2y over 10 equals x plus 1 over 4. We simplify it. First we deal with this is the left hand side, LHS. This is the right hand side. It depends on how you are seeing it from your view. But for my own side, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Now, we solve the left hand side and we solve the right hand side. Now the right hand side is fine. Let's deal with the left hand side. In order for us to solve with the left hand side, the first thing we have to do is to do what they call the LCM. The LCM. Making the LCM of 5 and 10 is going to be 50. We can actually, the LCM, you can multiply this and this together or do the LCM. In doing the LCM, since 5 can go in 10, you can say the LCM is 5. It's 10 rather. But just to make it easier for you, to relieve you of the stress of going through LCM and all of that, just multiply both denominators, which is 5 and 10. That is going to give you 50. It's going to give you 50. Now 50 in 5 in 50 is 10. If you make it 10, open bracket, 2x minus 1 plus 50 in 10 is 5. 5, open bracket, x minus 2y equals what? X plus 1 over 4. Now we do this, we can say 5 open bracket, watch me, 5 open bracket 2x minus 1 plus x minus 2y over all over 50 equals what? X plus 1 over 4. It might look confusing at this point. What I did was, this is 10, this is 5. It's a huge number. I just brought it out. I just brought the common number out of it. Since 5, this is 5, this is 10, and in both numbers 5 can go, so I just brought 5 outside. Then I know I can just remove this and make it what? 10. Then we say 2 open bracket 2x minus 1 plus x minus 2y over 10 equals what? X plus 1 divided by 4. Now we can say 4x minus 2 plus x minus 2y over 10 equals what? X plus 1 divided by 4. Now mathematicians will agree with me, you agree with me that we can divide this and this, because there's something that can go in this and this. But I don't want to be too fast with you, because I know there are lots of people who are watching this video and don't have understanding of, don't have this understanding of mathematics. but you have to take it step by step so that people that are watching, that are having issues, like people that are novices, amateurs in mathematics, can get to understand this properly. Now, you can say four x plus x minus 2 minus 2y over 10 equals what? X divided by 4. Then we can say 5x minus 2y minus 2 over 10 equals what? X plus 1 over 4. Now let's quickly erase the board so we can get to where we are going to. Let's quickly erase the board. Now we can say 5x minus 2y minus 2 over 10 equals x plus 1 divided by 4. Now we have arrived at that. That's where we are now. Now what do we do at this point? We take the next step. The next step is to do what? Is to cross multiply. If you are cross multiplying, we have 4 open bracket 5x minus 2y minus 2, closing the bracket, divided, there's no need to divide because we are cross multiplying, equals 10 open bracket x plus 1. Now if we do this, we have 20x minus 4 times 2, 8y minus what? 4 times 2, 8, equals 10x plus 10. Now if you do this like terms, you go with your like terms, this becomes 20x minus 10x, it comes here, minus 8y, this 8 goes to the other side. You know it has minus in front of it. When it goes to the other side, it becomes 10 plus 8. Becomes what? Then we have what? 10x minus 8y equals what? 18. We have this. Now, something can go, 2 can go. We can now say 2 divides all through. 2 divides all through. We have 5x minus 4y equals 9. This is our original equation 1 for this simultaneous equation. Our original equation 1 for this simultaneous equation. I hope we are not lost. If you are lost, just go back a bit on the video and try to go through it so you can understand where we are coming from. Now, this is our equation 1. Now, we take it. We have this equation 1. We keep it somewhere. We remember 5x minus 4y equals 9 is our equation 1. Then we pick the second one, the second equation. Okay, let's just clean the board a bit. And write. Let's just write the equation here. 5x minus 4y equals what? 9. It's the equation 1. Then we take the other one. And go through the same process. 3y plus 2 over 3 plus 4x minus 3y over 2 equals 5x plus 4 divided by 4. Now same thing goes here. LCM 6, 2 open bracket 3y plus 2 plus 2 in 6 is 3 open bracket 4x minus 3y equals what? 5x plus 4 divided by 4. Now we open the bracket, 6y plus 4 plus 12x minus 9y over 6 equals what? 5x plus 4 divided by 4. Then we do what they call like terms. We have 12x plus 6y minus 9y plus 4 over 6 equals what? 5x plus 4 divided by 4. Then we go 12x plus 6y minus 9y, that's minus 3y plus 4 over 6 equals what? 5x plus 4 divided by 4. Now we have this. We have arrived at a very valid point. We clean it so we can be able to pick that valid point and continue from there. We can now say 12x minus 3y plus 4 divided by 6 equals 5x plus 4 divided by 4. Now we have this. We have this. We have arrived at a very, very valid point. Now we can say the next step is to cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you have 4 open bracket 12x minus 3y plus 4 equals 6 open bracket 5x plus 4. Now before you open the bracket, they can divide each other. 2 can go here, 2 can also go here. 2 here cancel this, that's a 2. 2 here cancel this, that's a 3. So we can say 2 open bracket 12x minus 3y plus 4 equals 3 open bracket 5x plus 4. We can now open the bracket. It becomes 24x minus 6y plus 8 equals 15x plus 12. Now having this, the next thing is to do what? Is to make what? Like terms. When you do like terms, it becomes 24x minus 15x minus 6y equals 12 minus 8. By the time you do this, it becomes 24 minus 15. It's going to give us what? It's going to give us 9. 9x minus 6y equals 4. It's going to give us 4. Then we have our equation 2 already. We have our equation 2. Let's just quickly clean the board because of our time, so we can actually go directly into the now we have finally we have done half of our job. We have done half of the job. We have finally been able to convert this equation that was given to us to the simplest form. We have converted this to this. We have converted this to this. Now the next thing is to make a decision. What kind of method do I want to use? Do I want to make use of the substitution method? Do I want to make use of the elimination method? Now for this, I would be using the elimination method, and I'm using it because the last question I did, I used the substitution method. Now in using the elimination method, the first question, like I told you, when you're doing elimination method, is to make a decision on which of the variables you want to eliminate. We have x, we have y. I can decide to eliminate x, I can decide to eliminate y, but it's a choice I will be making myself, and I want you to make that choice when you're solving it yourself. Now I want to eliminate y because I've always been eliminating x. Now in eliminating y, this is 4. The coefficient of y is 4. The coefficient of x here is what? Of y here is 6. So we bring this coefficient here, becomes 4. We bring this coefficient here, becomes 6. Good. Then we multiply it so that we can get the same value. 30x minus 24y equals 54. That is equation 3. Then 36x minus 24y equals what? 16. That's equation 4. Now the next thing is to do what? Eliminate. I told you guys of what is called SSA and DSS and SSS and DSA, sorry, SSA and DSA, where I said same sign subtract different sign add. Now we have the same sign. This is minus, so we are going to what? Subtract. Now we are going to say minus 24y minus 24y. That is going to give us 0. That cancels it all. So what we have left is 30x minus 36x equals 54 minus 16. That is what we have. Now by the time we subtract this and this, we have what? Minus 6x equals 54 minus 16. So 54 minus 16 is going to be let's see. This is going to be 4 1. That is about 8. That is 38. That's 8, yeah, 38. Now by the time you divide both sides by 6, minus 6, x is equals to going to be 38 divided by minus 6. So our x is going to be what? 38 minus 38 over 6. Am I correct? Yes, I am. Now, this can still go 2 here, 3. 2 in 38 is 19. So we can say x is equals to what? Minus 19 over 3. Now we've gotten our value for x. Now, impute the value for x in either 3 or 4. You can impute it anywhere, anyways. Or let's just put it in 2. Let's put it in 2. 9x minus 6y equals 4. Impute x, it becomes 9. Open bracket. Minus 19 divided by 3 minus 6y equals 4. Now this is 3 here 1, 3 here 3. So 19 times 3 is going to give you what? 19 times 3 is going to give what? 7. Then 2. 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, 5. 57. Minus 57 minus 6y equals 4. Now we have what? Going to the other side, we have minus 6y is equals to 4 plus 57. Then we can say, let's take here. We can say minus 6y equals, this is what? 61. Then we can say minus 6y equals 61 divided by minus 6 divided by minus 6. We can say what? Our y is equals to what? Minus 61 over 6. I hope we understand. If you have any question, just go back, watch the video again, check it. If you have questions, you can always comment, you can always ask questions. I'll go back with my explanation so we can actually get the needful. Now, from our work, we have been able to get the values for x and y. Our y is minus 61 over 6. Our x is what? Minus 19 over 3. Now you can see how long or how extended the solution to this particular equations are. So all you just have to do is you have to be very careful. You have to make sure that you practice more. The only reason why I'm able to solve this and be able to teach you is because I practice more and solve more. So it's nice seeing you guys on this weekend. I hope you watch this video to the end. I hope you also like to appreciate my work. I hope you comment, and I hope to share to other friends that you believe that this would be so educative to them. See you guys next time. Stay blessed. Bye.